to choose an affiliate program to make money? Are you an affiliate? Or do you want to make money online as an affiliate? If that sounds like you, I'm going to make it worth your while. How, you ask? Well, to put it bluntly, unless you are choosing the right affiliate programs and products to promote, you're going to struggle to make any money online. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about how to choose an affiliate program to make money. Now let's get into it. Go where the money is. First off, let's not waste any time trying to crack small, unproven niches. We want to go where the big boys and girls are already raking in the cash. So how do we find them? Simple, go to Amazon, eBay, internet forums, Yahoo Answers, and any other similar sites, and see what is selling. In places like Amazon and eBay, look for top sellers, best sellers, or categories with many products and reviews. See what is selling. You're finding a market. Not just any market, but a proven market, one which already has ravenous buyers, who will happily give their money away hand over fist to get what they want. These are the people we are after. Let's take an example. The health and well-being niche. It's a huge market with lots of products in a range of categories, for example, weight loss, fitness, alternative medicine, etc. Each of these can be subdivided further, for example, how to lose 10 pounds, get a six-pack, stop smoking, etc. It's massive. Use the popularity and market size to get an idea of what's selling and what people want, because that's what you're going to give them, and they'll pay you for the trouble. Use internet forums and places such as Yahoo Answers to find out popular topics and find out their problems. Hopefully, they should correlate well with the niches we uncovered previously. Find an affiliate program that pays. Next up, you want to find affiliate products that you can promote that directly target the market you have just uncovered. You can find digital products at clickbank.com, DotCom.com, and physical products from 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐬.com and linkshare.com. All of this offers revenue sharing or affiliate relationships with vendors. You want to find a program product that pays you a high commission. You're doing all the work after all. I always look for over 50% on digital products. Sometimes you'll be able to get up to 75% commission, so you actually make more per sale than the vendor. On physical products, look for over 10%. Ideally, the affiliate program products should provide you with secure links so you can avoid affiliate link theft, and if possible, have link tracking. If not, use a program such as Adtrix to track your links. The vendor should also have a good sales process, well-written, professional sales letters, an easy way to contact customer support, and excellent customer support. Also see if they have an automated follow-up system in place, as you can get paid on sales made at a later date if a proper autoresponder or newsletter system is in place. Another thing to look out for is if you can get paid by referring other affiliates. Some vendors will offer you a commission on all sales made by affiliates you refer to, or have products for their affiliates with which you can earn a commission, as well as the normal products. Do cases study. Here are 2 case studies from the health niche to demonstrate some of the points we've discussed. Case Study 1. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬𝐿. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 sells a range of health products, primarily supplements. They have an excellent system for affiliates, providing a range of creatives such as banners, and also giving their affiliates a free website for each product. They provide detailed conversion tracking reports, and their websites all have great marketing systems and copy in place to maximize sales. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 also pays 50% commission on all orders, and also 50% commission on reorders made by customers at a later date, allowing you to earn month after month if the customer keeps ordering. Another huge benefit is that you can get paid by referring other affiliates. You make a commission of 5% of any sales they refer. Case Study 2, VIP Health Secrets, 𝐕𝐵𝐿𝐷 affiliates.html. Health supplements are booming marketing, and it looks like it will continue for a long while, so this would be one affiliate program definitely worth joining. 𝐕𝐵𝐿𝐷 is another affiliate program worth joining. They sell a growing range of health-related information products. The sales letters appear well written and professionally done, and they offer free membership with lots of health reports for prospects to download. Then they upsell prospects to their special reports. They pay 75% commission on all sales, which is at the top end of commission scales. As they sell a range of products, you have the potential to earn, not just on one sale, but on multiple sales. They currently use a secure system to protect your affiliate links and provide a lot of affiliate promotional tools, such as viral reports, articles, and banners. They also give affiliates a free website that promotes all their products as well as educates the visitors. One of the best things about 𝐕𝐵𝐿𝐷 is the training resources provided to help you earn a commission. They give a range of free reports which are specially designed to help you maximize your affiliate commission. Another benefit is that you can get paid for referring other affiliates, as they sell an affiliate marketing product to new affiliates, and you'll get commission on that as well as the health products. These two affiliate programs would link in well together, as you could promote the supplements from 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 and the information products from 𝐕𝐵𝐿𝐷, and you'd have a great combination. Strike while the iron is hot. If you got this far, you've done really well, and hopefully, you'll have learned a thing or two as well. Remember to go where the money is, give people what they want, and spend some time choosing carefully affiliate programs, products that pay. So, get out there, while this information is hot in your mind, and start your path to affiliate marketing profits. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to choose an affiliate program to make money. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.